MLAs and ministers of the state sits here in Kohima. And thankfully, we are very grateful to our Honorable Minister and Honorable MLAs. All of them are going to play also. They are all players. You can look at their costume, they are all come in tracksuit. So they are going to play, we are going to play. So we, of course, will be having a good time. So let me just come to my duty of welcoming everyone. First of all, hearty welcome to our special guest, Sri Nebakram, the Minister, to this tournament. Sir, your presence here means a lot to us. Not only to the interdepartmental badminton club, but to the entire departments, the state capital. And hearty welcome to all the 4 MLAs, and hearty welcomes to the senior officials like our SPLAG, SP and senior police officials, and officers from the other department. And hearty welcome to each and every player. And welcome to the press. You were very prompt, even when we were declaring this tournament some days back. You all came in good number for the press conference, and today also you are here. So very thankful, and you are always being supportive, and we expect this kind of support in the days to come. And before I end my speech, let me just say a word of gratitude to the sponsors. Of course, we have collected some registration fee from all of you, all the departments. And such a big department, we needed some kind of sponsors also. So our Honorable Minister has generously contributed towards this tournament. Thanks to you, sir. And Smart City Kohima and Solo Engineering Dimapur was also contributed, and they sponsored some amount for this tournament. Thank you very much, all of you. And we look forward to the tournament. And let us make sure that we stick to the rules and stick to the timeline. And all of us are ready inside the stadium when our turn comes and we are ready to play. Of course, the schedule is out. You must have seen in the WhatsApp group and all. The sequence will follow. But as far as possible, we will try to play as much matches as possible today. So we might play some matches which are scheduled for tomorrow morning also, if the time permits. So we request the departments, the team managers, and all the players to be ready on call inside the stadium premises. Thanks to everyone. We hope to follow a great sportsmanship among ourselves, and let us make this tournament a big success. Thank you all.
Now I would like to invite our special guest honor this beginning.
Thank you, President, Mr. Shanabas, the convener, and his colleagues, friends, my friends, honorable MLAs, the organizers, the participants, media friends, and all the lovers of badminton. Indeed, it is a very good beginning. Badminton is a very, very interesting game. And today I can see such a big crowd. It has really surprised me also. I was told that about 58 teams are coming. So it is good to have a good gathering like this and then have fun together also. As for me, only after my entry into politics, I started playing badminton. And you know, our Honorable Chief Minister used to play badminton. And the present Chief Minister, Rio, and then former Chief Minister Pierre Jaleb also used to play. And I used to see and watch it. Then, after that, honorable colleague friends, especially Itachu. He have joined the club there in CMO, and thereafter then Vicky Ho, then Isha and Koya. He played well with them. But as for me, I have just learned something from them. I keep on playing with them. I know they were not satisfied playing with me, but then somehow slowly I learned. In these 3 years, I also just learned something, and that is why I was a participant. It is such an interesting game that I used to be making. The nomenclature of badminton should be changed to goodminton. Now, when I have started learning, then initially we feel something a little bit embarrassed, but then slowly after getting the interest, and I said this is something which I have to encourage in my community. So I have taken initiative, and then 3 course that has been constructed in my constituency at Tuchero. And now in few villages, I'm trying to involve the villages, but not because so now even in the village level, they used to have a tournament, and we forget that things. And one day, it was in the last round. I was parliamentary secretary planning. And I went around here with this emblem also. Then I just go around and see there was a debate in the assembly, MLM also. And then you see all around this, wow, how is the area in the assembly complex. Then when I came down here, I saw this building under construction. Then I peeped from there. Then I thought, what is this? This is something coming out very good. Then they have told me that it is going to be 3 courts badminton tournament. So then why we have not finished immediately? In the airlines, we have to finish this. And someone told me that it was a clear group who is taking the initiative. And then I asked for contractors. Contractor also, whatever it may be, he can talk to him. Then and the airless they did it. So then immediately I called up Kribu. At that point of time, Kribu was in the opposition. So then when I talked to him, he said, when I requested him to expedite, then he said, there are some problems. We are not getting a state petition. This is the problem is from NEC, and then state is not giving its due share. That is why it's a bit delayed. So I said, immediately you put up. And then from this government, from my level, I'll just give you immediately. So then take share immediately. After that, immediately, while get and take share in full was given to them. After that, they released the subsequent installment and is up to this stage. You know, for quite some time in sports, our state will not perform well. Manipur and others have gone ahead, but still we can improve. Now, infrastructure in other disciplines also, we all have to improve. Our chief minister also being the the president of the Olympic Association, is also writing this. And especially badminton, it is so many people, they are putting their interest in the kingdom. And now, even as for me, sometimes I used to see when this is the game is dominated by Asian nations. And when we see all those Olympiad players, Linda, and then all these Chung Wei, this is very, very interesting. So let us hope that from Nagaland also, someone will become like them, and they will be proud. So today, it is a few words. I wish every one of you, including me, all the best. And let us all play in our best ability. And with these few words, I thank every one of you for organizing and coming here. And I heard that the paramilitary forces are also coming, and I can see so many women participation also this, and it is very good. It is a good thing which we all are coming together like this and having fun together. So thank you and God bless.
Nagaland TV someone आवाज आमी अनि त्यही हेरे first interdepartmental badminton tournament के से हेरे मैं लोरे one of the main organizers ऐसे हेरे शानावास सी ऐसे ताई principal director education department ऐसे इतु अजी first दिन ऐसे इधर तो start होले मनन सपी warm up करे से अपनी किना feel करे से और इतु किना जाऊले ला भाभी
से ये तो event तो मैं speech ते कौन है ना ये तो 2 months आगे थे हमारा नहीं एक बार बाविस आइशे कोई माते भी एक ता इंटरडिपार्टमेंटल टूर्नामेंट करले बालो वो हुई ना then we inform the departments और department पूरा response भी एकदम बाल आइशे तो हमारा इतिया कोई मा पूरा 22 departments total 55 teams ऐसे and men's double women's double और mixed double 3 items ऐसे इतिया शुरू हो बोले ऐसे schedule बनाई ना ऐसे of course हमारा तो excited ऐसे ये तो tournament शुरू हो बोले कि ना at the same time हमारा तो responsible भी हो बोले और sportsmanship भी दिखा बोले और ये तो कैमरेडरी डिपार्टमेंट में जो कैमरेडरी फ्रेंडशिप भी हो वो लगे ये तो खाली अमगन स्टेट लगा कम्युनिटी करने पब्लिक करने ये तो कन कोरिया से सो होपफुली थिंग्स विल गो वेल एंड कल तक तो खत्म करो फिर वो बबे से थैंक यू
और किमान तो डिपार्टमेंट्स आज ना इते क्लियर
इते 22 डिपार्टमेंट्स है एंड 42 टीम्स मेंस डबल और 6 टीम्स वुमेन्स डबल और 7 टीम्स मिक्स्ड डबल्स
और इतु टूर्नामेंट तो खत्म हो बिजी और अपने नेक्स्ट एडिशन भी चली बोले है ना किना
इनका प्लान करिए से इतिया तो फर्स्ट एडिशन है सो मगन भावना तो एवरी ईयर तो होबो लगे कोई माते भी होबो लगे स्टेट कैपिटल भी होबो लगे तो इतु भावना करिए से तो इतिया तो फर्स्ट एडिशन जाबो लगे
थैंक यू वेरी मच इतु रिपोर्ट लोले गाने आमी कैमरा पर्सन केविली ले मेतालो रे आमी मोहतम जिन पोंगनर एनएल टीवी नागालैंड टीवी गाने